Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to set up the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then let's find and select the settings. Here from list of settings, let's choose security and privacy right here. Now choose fingerprint ID right here, and before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be PIN, pattern, password, or something from the following list. In my case, let me use pattern. So let's draw the unlock pattern, let's do it twice just for confirmation, and now you can add the fingerprint. So let's choose new in-screen fingerprint. You need to press firmly on the in-screen sensor zone. Let's tap enroll fingerprint. So let me choose the finger, in my case it could be the following one, and let's just save the finger. Let's tap it a couple of times, different parts of your finger. Alright, you just successfully enrolled your finger. Let's tap OK, and now if you press the power key, you will see the screen lock, so you can now here unlock the device by using the pattern, or you can unlock the phone by using your fingerprint. Let me show you. That's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.